Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Heard County in west central Georgia, Northeastern County in west central Georgia, western Coepa County in west central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Roosterville to near Welch, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Franklin, Grantville, Whitesburg, Ephesus, Central Hatchie, Rouville, East Newnan, Corinth, Plant Yates, Dunaway Gardens, Glen, Madras, Arnco Sargent, Powers Crossroads, Roosterville, Handy, Waresville, Frelona and Lowell. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central, northwestern and west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern Heard and northern